What's up, guys? I'm in Utah for the weekend. I am at a lake. A couple buddies from Instagram hit me up, helped me out. Really appreciate them. Apparently there's Splake, Tiger Trout, Cutthroat, rainbows, cut bows. It would be sick if I could fish for an hour or two, catch a couple fish on video. That'd be rad. I've got on a white streamer, and then I'm gonna hopefully get an indicator rig set up once I get over to them. But it's beautiful out. It's like 55 degrees. Water's super low. As you can see, I am just walking right here. Late fall, pre-ice, still water fishing. The fish are gonna move in shallower. This is an advantage to shore fishing from a lake opposed to a boat. You don't need to get out in 30 feet of water in the fall because you have these fish coming in shallow to feed, and they're easier to target as a fly angler. Just now getting down to the shore. I'm gonna start with a streamer, see if I can bang out a big one in the area. Water's a little off colored, kind of strange. Here's a fish. Dude. No way. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. What a big white streamer. That is sick. I was not expecting that. Let's go. Took that all day. It's a big old cutty. I don't even know what kind of cutty this is. I've never caught steady cutty. Yeah. That is sick. Let's crush that. Okay. They are shallow. I mean, that streamer fish is 3 feet off the bank, so. There's one. Let's go. Little guy. No way. Is it a tiger? Is it a tiger? Ah, it's a cutty. It's all right. He ate the top bug. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, I swear to you, like a 20-inch huge bow or cut bow. I had a weird feeling I should pull in my mount fly like really slow, and a huge rainbow just like followed it in. It was the weirdest thing. I was pulling it like this. So I'm running like a foot to 2 foot nymph rig with a small bobber. If I had a dry dropper, that's what I would fish. But I'm fishing near an inlet. I'm standing in mud, and I just have these fish are kind of like cruising on the surface a little bit. Like I said, if I had a dry dropper, that'd be absolutely perfect, a lot more finesse. But I just put on a small indicator, 5X tippet, some size 16 and 14 flies. Oh crap, there he was. And I'm just throwing really far casts out there, letting it sink and keeping it moving. I don't think much of these fish are big, but they are something to play with. I have 2 little nymphs on there. I have like a Ray Charles up top, which is a hot spot. Scud, and there he was again. And then I have a olive Paragon down below it. It's a hard hook set with a 9-foot rod and this far out on these casts. Oh my gosh, one just ate my indicator. A huge one just ate my indicator. A huge one just ate my indicator. That is stupid. That is stupid. That is stupid. I don't have a single dry fly with me. Dude, I can't believe that big of one just ate my bobber. That is stupid. There he is. Nice. Feels a little better. Maybe not, I don't know. No way. Oh, I want a tiger trout so bad. Dang. Nice cutty. Take that all day. That's beautiful. He'll be just fine. He'll find his way out. There you go, buddy. Short fight, send her home. There we go. Yay. Little trout. Go back home. There you go. I have no way to wipe my hands off. This mud is so bad. Be free, buddy. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way.